is problem number 3. Alright? Number 3. Ang ato ang kuan is evaluate the integral of tangent x dx. Alright, no? Alright. So, kaning problem, kung tanawon na to, simple lang, di ba? Sa tinuod lang, ang answer ani is negative ln, alright ha? Negative ln cosine of x plus c. Alright? Mauna siya. So, the integral of tangent x is is not negative ln, natural lang cosine x plus c. So, where c, this c is the constant of integration. C is the constant of the integration, and the result is obtained by rewriting the tangent of x as sine of x dx. Alright, no? Alright. And this is our tangent. Tangent of x dx. Ang giingon, rewriting tangent x and using the method, rewriting the tangent x as sine of x dx. Alright, no? Integral of sine of x over cosine of x dx. Nanong cosine sine of x dx sa right triangle manggod nato. This is our sine, di ba? Sine, cosine. So ang adjacent side is cosine, ang opposite side is sine, di ba? Opposite. So sa tuwa na to is tangent is opposite over adjacent, di ba? Adjacent. So ang opposite na to is sine, di ba? Dahil ang atong adjacent side is cosine. So mao ni nga sine over cosine in terms of x, so sine over cosine ang ato tangent mao na ning sine over x, sine times sine x over cosine of x dx. Alright, no? Okay. Now, rewrite to start by expressing the tangent x in terms of sine of coexistence. So apply na to ang use substitution. Alright, use substitution with respect to x to find du and dx. So ang u na to, kung sa gamito na to ngayon, ang u na to, right ha? Palaon siya ni. Okay, naman na siya. Right? Sa atis, ato lang ipangita. So ang u na to is u. Ang u na to, gamito na is cosine of x. Cosine of x. What is derivative of u? Alright? Derivative of u is du, di ba? Derivative of u is du, and derivative of cosine is negative. Derivative of cosine is negative sine. Say negative sine x dx. Right? No? So, nakuha na to ang du. So, i-apply, di ba? I-apply na to ang use substitution with respect to x to find du. Solve for dx in terms of du. So, i-solve down na to ang dx in terms of du. I-transpose na to. Dx is equal to du over sine of x. So, negative. Diba? So, na-establish na to ang u o ang dx o ang du. Now, here, write na to the integral of tangent, sine of x divided by cosine of x. What is our dx? Our dx is du over negative sine of x. Tao, di ba? Karon, tanaw na to ang equation, no? Integral of sine of x, cosine of x, du times, first term na to sine of x over cosine of x. The second term na to is du over negative of sine of x. So, alright. Ato ning sine of x divided by negative sine of x is cancel, di ba? Leaving integral of du over cosine of x. But du, integral of sine of x divided by negative of sine x is negative 1. Di ba? What is our cosine of x? Our cosine of x as per foundation na is u. That u. Let us write this u, di ba? U. du. Alright? Okay. Now, pwede sa ato ning ipagawas ang negative, so integral of 1 over u du. Alright, what is an integral of 1 over u? Na-remember ba ninyo na ang integral of, integral of 1 over x is equal to, di ba, integral sa 1 over x is equal to ln, natural ln x plus c, di ba? Karon kung sa integral sa 1 over u, so therefore ln u ln u plus c. So kung ang integral sa 1 over cosine of u, cosine of u is ln cosine of u plus c, di ba? So, kay negative man siya, what is an integral 1 over u du? Alright? So, ang 1 over u du is ln u plus c. Pero namin negative, so negative. Now, karon substitute na to. What is our u? ln, copy, negative ln, what is our u? Our u here is cosine of x. Diba? Cosine of x. Cosine of x. U, diba? Plus c. Basta kanang c is the constant integration, the constant of integration. So finally, mauni ang atong answer. So, karon ang pangutagang evaluate the integral of tangent x dx negative ln cosine of x plus c. Right?